hunch. Now, if you happen to live in India, I'm sure you would have definitely heard of this story called Ramayana. In Ramayana, there was this lady called Manthara who poisoned the mind of Kekai, and this led to the protagonist of the story, Ram, being sent on a 14-year-long exile. Now, Manthara was a hunchback, what we in Punjabi like to call as kubbi. So the word hunch means bend over. For example, he was hunched over his iPad and was seriously reading something. To hunch over, to bend over. Stand straight, don't hunch your shoulders, don't bend your shoulders. Now, there's a secondary meaning of the word hunch. To have a hunch about something is to have a guess or suspicion about something. Let's watch a clipping here.
Do you want me to call the police, Mr. Lowe?
Ask for Captain Dudley Smith. Tell him we're having a discussion about the death of an unemployed actor at a Sunset Strip motel.
These are the police. What do you want?
I want DA Bureau man to tail Dudley Smith and Pierce Patchett 24 hours a day. I want you to get a judge to authorize wiretaps on their home phones. And I want authorization to check their bank records.
On what evidence?
Call it a hunch.
Call it a hunch. Call it a guess. He had a hunch that she was lying. He had a suspicion that she was lying. Acting on a hunch, I waited outside her house to see who was in there with her. So, to have a hunch is to have a suspicion, to have a guess, or to have an idea that something is the case. Now, you don't really have any proof of what you are ideating, but you strongly feel कि जो आप सोच रहे हैं वही सही है. Hopefully, you are getting both the meanings of the word hunch.
I'm a OG boy.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Boy.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.